Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a lotus flower using double half-hitch knots. For a slower, more in-depth tutorial on the double half-hitch knot, please see the description for a link. Let's get started. Using the two center chords, tie a double half-hitch knot. Using the two center chords as your filler chords, tie 3 more diagonal double half-hitch knots on both sides of your work. Using the second chord from the left as your filler chord, tie 2 diagonal double half-hitch knots working down and to the right. Using the chord second from the right as your filler chord, tie 2 diagonal double half-hitch knots working down and to the left. This is a bit of a tricky part. Using the chord on the left, tie just 1 half-hitch to the chord on the right. Using the same filler chord, tie 3 more diagonal double half-hitch knots working down and to the right. Repeat that process on the right side of your work. Tie the 2 filler chords together at the bottom using a double half-hitch knot. Using the chord second from the left as your filler chord, tie 6 double half-hitch knots. When you tie your first 3 double half-hitch knots, leave a little bit of space in between your last row and this row as we are creating the top of a petal. Using the chord 4th from the left as your filler chord, tie 2 diagonal double half hitch knots working up and to the left. Change your filler chord. You will now use the chord on the left as your filler chord and tie 6 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. When you tie your first 3 knots, leave a bit of space in between your last row and this row as we are creating the top of another petal. Repeat that same process on the other side of your work. Tie one more diagonal double half hitch knot on both sides of your work, then tie a final double half hitch knot with the 2 filler chords to connect the 2 sides. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.